Mabuhay! This is Dr. Minerva Picatay from Killeen Independent Schools District in Killeen, Texas. The local activity demonstration of sharing the Philippine culture among the 12 participants of the visiting international teachers. As the lead teacher among the J1 participants in initiating to create the various topics on the following. First, documentaries about the home country's lifestyle and culture, such as ethnic dance in Subanan, folk dance in Salakot, and fitness and wellness in Palarong Pabansa, where we were able to depict the lifestyle of the Filipinos. Second, teaching native language translated to English. Third, food and beverage and the new local foods from the Philippines, such as the lumpia and the beyond. And finally, the traditional caroling. This is approximately participated by more or less 150 audience and participants, namely the Executive Director for Human Resources, Coordinator of Human Resources, Director for Specialized Learning in Special Education, District Lead Teacher, Campus Instructional Coaches, 11 school principals, the guidance counselors, teachers, parents, and students, with the Filipino-American community with the Bayanihan context. And we have the J1 and the J2 participants. And finally, as the choreographer and director of the event, we were able to achieve our goals on sharing valued commitment to Killeen community. With the desired skills, we were able to build strong connection and commitment to the community during the conduct of the activity. Once again, this is Dr. Minerva P. Katahay. Thank you. Mabuhay!
Because we want to prove that the visiting international teachers in Killeen Independent School is worth it hiring for. Oh, yun. So, to the Filipino community, once again, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagtangkilik ng ating kulturang Pilipinas. In English, I am expressing my gratitude of saying thank you to the Filipino community who 111% in supporting our caroling in December. By the way, our caroling in the Filipinos are one way of sharing the culture of having the gratitude, visiting homes, not only the Filipino the visiting international teachers, maraming salamat po. Thank you in English, daghang salamat in vernacular.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good afternoon, everyone. From J1 Teachers of Killeen, Texas, we would like to extend our gratitude to Mr. Philip and Mrs. Denia Bowman for having us here. Thank you so much. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
In addition to the J1 teachers, with us are our J2 and the families. We are so happy to celebrate Christmas with you all. Special mention with Mr. Philip and Tita Denya. Maraming salamat po. Tita Ada for always with us. And everybody, Tita Maria, lahat po kayo, your presence of our impact dito, na nandito po kami. We are so happy for the warm welcome na pinakita niyo sa amin. So maraming salamat po. Let's go!